Next is torsion spring. So torsion spring can be either helical or spiral type. This spring can be helical or spiral type. So this is a helical torsion spring, and this one is spiral torsion spring. Or to be either a helical shape or spiral shape. Helical type may be used only in the application of the load tends to wind up the spring. When the load is applied, still the spring get tends to wind up the spring. If you are applying such nature load, it will be helical torsion spring. When there is a spiral spring, in the case of spiral type, when the load is applied, it tends to increase the number of coils. Such type is the spiral torsion spring. Major stresses produced in these are tensile and compressive due to bending. Okay, in both the torsional helical and spiral torsion spring, tension and compressive type of stress are formed, and it is due to bending action. Next is laminate or leaf spring, and these are mostly used in automobiles. You have often seen large trucks or these type of springs are used in large automobiles, laminate or leaf spring, and this is also called flat spring or caddy spring, and it consists a number of flat face. These are all flat face and would have been successive tension and compression. When it is loaded, it have compression. Okay, you will be go up and down motion, various length. We have these plates are having different various length are joined together, and it is clamped and bolt arrangement are used for joining it together, and these are mostly used in automobiles. The major stresses produced in the tensile and compressive. Sometimes it will be tensional force, sometimes it will be compressive force. So it depends on the actions happening in the automobile. So these are mostly used in the automobile, laminate or leaf spring. Then next one is the disc or velvely springs. Disc rings, these consist of a number of conical shaped discs are arranged in a successive manner, and they are held together by a central bolt. Okay, these are used in high spring rates and combat during events are required. Such type of applications are disc or velvely spring. Then just like laminated or leaf spring, the major stresses produced in are tensile and compressive stress.